Good morning, everybody. Well, it's almost noon. It is 11:55. Alright, this will be your afternoon earthquake report. So I'm going to go ahead and get this up. There isn't that many, thank goodness. There was a 3.6 off the shore of El Salvador. That came in at 36 miles in depth. There was a 3.6 Andreoff Islands, Aleutian Islands, Alaska region at 22 miles in depth. That was 53 miles east-southeast of Atka, Alaska. That's ATKA. There was a 4.5 Northern Columbia at 96.3 miles in depth. A 3.5 Northern Alaska. That was 67 miles south-southwest of Katovik, and they had that at 0 miles in depth. There was a 4.6 Xizang, China, at 6 miles in depth. That was 35 miles south of Domartang. That's Domartang. There was a 3.5 upgraded to a 4.2 Eastern Mediterranean Sea. That came in at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.1 Dominican Republic region, and that came in at 59 miles in depth. A 4.3 off the shore of Oaxaca, Mexico at 8.6 miles in depth. A 3.0 Central California, 4 miles northwest of Pinnacle. That came in at 1 mile in depth. A 2.6 Oklahoma, 12 miles west of Perry. They have that at 1 mile in depth. There was a 3.8 upgraded to a 4.1 Catamarca, Argentina. That came in at 106.8 miles in depth. Alright guys, that is your afternoon earthquake report. I hope you're all having an awesome Sunday. God bless each and every one of you. Please be safe out there. You guys are just too totally awesome. 2 thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.